This is a blind contour drawing that I'm demonstrating right now. To do a blind contour drawing, you do not look at your drawing, you only look at your leaf. The reason that we do this is that it slows us down and it improves our hand-eye coordination. You don't want to pick up your pencil, and you want to move as slowly as an ant would move. So one trick is to imagine that an ant is crawling around the contours of the leaf and that your pencil is following that ant. Now when you're finished one of these drawings, it will often not look very much like what it was that you were trying to draw. And you will see in my drawing that as I finish the stem, my stem does not quite line up the way it should. And that's okay. This is the technique that we are going to use. This is called a modified contour drawing. In a modified contour drawing, you still want to go just as slow as an ant would travel. You still want to spend most of your time looking at the leaf, but it is okay to glance over at your drawing, and it is also okay to pick up your pencil while you're working. However, the more you look at your drawing and the more you pick up your pencil, the easier it is for you to lose your place. Something else that I will often do is check where I am in regards to where I started. You can also stop where you were working and then go back to the beginning of the drawing and pick up from that point. That is a technique that can sometimes help you get your ends or your edges to meet. All right, so now I'm going to begin to finish the stem. I'm using the same process of modified contour drawing. And now I am going to begin to vary my line weight so that I have a very light line. And the light line I am using to show the very delicate veins that make up the inside body of the leaf. Varying your line weight is a technique that you can use to bring a little bit more naturalism to the drawing. You're probably noticing that this process is fast-forwarded in my demonstration. All right, now you can also go back and you can use darker lines to help accentuate the edge. So I'm looking at the shadow of the leaf and I'm using that to help bring a little bit more dimension to the drawing of my leaf.